Today, we've got a video that's bound to rev up your excitement. The top 5 best budget drones of 2024. After delving deep into the market and putting these drones to the test, I've curated a list that caters to all your needs, be it price, performance, or specific preferences. But before we soar into the details, make sure to peep the updated links in the description for the hottest deals on these drones. If you find this video insightful, don't be shy. Smash that like button, drop a comment down below, and hit subscribe to keep your tech game on point with our upcoming content. Now, let's take flight into the world of budget-friendly drones. 3. Meet the DJI Mini 3, our undisputed champion for the best budget drones of 2024, packing a punch in a compact frame. Under 249 grams weight. Weighing less than 249 grams, the DJI Mini 3 epitomizes portability, allowing for spontaneous aerial adventures wherever you go. Extended battery life. Enjoy an impressive flight time of up to 38 minutes with the standard Intelligent Flight Battery. Need more? Opt for the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus and extend your flight to an uninterrupted 51 minutes. 4K HDR video. Capture the world in exquisite detail with 4K HDR video capabilities. The first 3-inch CMOS sensor, HDR technology, and 4x zoom ensure stunning visuals day or night. True vertical shooting. Unleash creativity with true vertical shooting, thanks to the DJI Mini 3's innovative gimbal design. Switch perspectives effortlessly for striking social media-ready shots. Quick shots. Take your drone skills to the next level with quick shots. With a tap, execute impressive maneuvers like drone, circle, helix, rocket, and boomerang. Quick transfer makes sharing creations a breeze. Regulation-friendly and safe. Navigate the skies hassle-free. The DJI Mini 3's sub-249 grams weight exempts it from training requirements in most countries. Upgraded safety features ensure a secure flying experience. 2. DJI Mini 2 Southeast. Introducing the DJI Mini 2 Southeast, a fantastic entry-level camera drone designed for hassle-free on-the-go exploration. As a modest upgrade from the DJI Mini Southeast, it stands as a testament to user-friendly innovation within the DJI lineup. Under 249 grams weight. Light as a feather, the Mini 2 Southeast weighs less than 249 grams, ensuring unparalleled portability for spontaneous drone adventures. Say goodbye to training requirements, as its lightweight design exempts it from examinations in most countries and regions. 10 kilometers video transmission. Push the boundaries with HD video transmission up to an astounding 10 kilometers. Stay connected and capture breathtaking aerial footage that extends beyond the horizon. 2.7K video. Equipped with a 1/2 3-inch CMOS camera, the Mini 2 Southeast delivers sharp and detailed video at 2.7K/30 apps. Dive into the details and zoom in with 4x digital zoom for a closer look. Return to home. Navigate with ease by bringing the drone back to its takeoff point effortlessly. A perfect feature for beginners and safety-conscious users, ensuring a stress-free flying experience. 3. Holy Stone HS-175D. Unveiling the Holy Stone HS-175D, a foldable and lightweight camera drone engineered for seamless and enjoyable flying experiences. Perfect for both beginners and enthusiasts, this drone boasts a range of features to elevate your aerial exploration. Triple positioning system. Navigate with confidence using the GPS, GLONASS, and optical flow positioning system. Perfect for beginners seeking stability and ease of control, this triple threat ensures a user-friendly and intuitive flight experience. GPS auto return. Worry-free flying is at your fingertips with the GPS auto return feature. If the drone loses signal, ventures out of range, or faces low power, it autonomously returns home using GPS assistance. No need to fret about losing your drone during exploration. Brushless motors. Experience quieter operation, higher efficiency, longer lifespan, and precise speed control with the brushless motors of the HS-175D. Elevate your flying experience with enhanced performance. Optical flow positioning. In indoor environments or weak GPS conditions, the optical flow system ensures precise positioning based on visual images. Fly with confidence, even when traditional GPS signals may be limited. More flight time. Equipped with 2 modular batteries, the HS-175D extends your flight time to an impressive 46 minutes. Capture more moments without the hassle of frequent battery changes. ensuring a more immersive aerial experience. 4K Ultra Clear Camera. The 110 degrees wide-angle lens, adjustable up to 90 degrees, coupled with the 5 GHz FPV transmission, delivers high-resolution pictures and smooth videos even in challenging conditions. Elevate your aerial photography game with crystal-clear visuals. 4. Ryze Tello. Discover the Ryze Tello, a small yet feature-packed drone that punches above its weight. Whether you're a budding enthusiast or just starting your drone journey, the Tello promises a blend of fun and education in one compact package. Intuitive controls. With the Tello, taking to the skies is a breeze. Pull out your phone and start flying anytime, anywhere. The Tello app offers a user-friendly interface for seamless control, ensuring that the thrill of flight is at your fingertips. VR headset compatibility. Experience a mesmerizing first-person view with VR headset compatibility. Immerse yourself in the aerial world, unlocking exciting new perspectives that will elevate your drone adventures. DJI Flight Tech. Built with DJI Flight Tech, the Tello incorporates industry-leading components for stable flights. Enjoy reliable performance and smooth maneuvers, making every flight a joyous experience. High-quality camera. Despite its size, the Tello is equipped with a 5MP camera, capturing incredible photos and videos. Even beginners can create pro-level content using easy shots, featuring modes like Circle, 360, and Up and Away. Electronic Image Stabilization (EIS). Ensure consistently clear images with Electronic Image Stabilization (EIS) technology. Preserve great memories with high-resolution pictures, even in the midst of dynamic flights. Perfect for everyone. The Ryze Tello is tailor-made for kids, beginners, and anyone eager to explore the world from above. Whether you're diving into coding or simply relishing the thrill of flight, the Tello is a reliable companion that won't disappoint. 5. BETAFPV Cetus Light FPV Kit. Unveiling the BETAFPV Cetus Light FPV Kit, an excellent choice for new FPV enthusiasts, making the thrill of flying accessible to beginners and providing a safe miniature toy for the younger generation. Let's explore the key features that make this FPV kit stand out. Auxiliary Altitude Hold Function. Designed to ease the learning curve, the auxiliary altitude hold function ensures stable hovering with a built-in accurate barometer. This feature not only lowers the difficulties of operating an FPV quadcopter, but also provides a fun learning experience for beginners. Durable frame with protected guard. Crafted from PA12 material, the Cetus Light's frame guarantees excellent impact resistance in drops and impacts. The protective guard design adds an extra layer of safety, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor flying. Highly efficient BT 2.0300 mAh battery. Powering the Cetus Light is the BT 2.0300 mAh battery, delivering a flight time of about 4 to 5 minutes. Easy battery replacement and the recommendation to acquire more batteries ensure extended flight sessions. Low voltage prompt function. Prioritizing battery safety, the Cetus Light features a low voltage prompt function. When the battery voltage is low, a slow read LED flash reminds users to replace the battery promptly, preventing overuse and ensuring the battery's longevity. Automatic calibration. Kickstarting your flight is a breeze with the automatic calibration feature. The quadcopter performs automatic calibration for stability during every flight, allowing for a convenient and worry-free takeoff. The BETAFPV Cetus Light FPV Kit is a smart investment for those seeking an economical and affordable RTF FPV kit. Whether you're a beginner venturing into the world of FPV or a parent looking for a safe drone for kids, the Cetus Light is a reliable choice. And there you have it, folks. That's the lowdown on the top 5 best budget drones of 2024. Whether you're all about nimble navigation, cutting-edge camera capabilities, or long-lasting flight time, we've got a drone here tailored just for you. If this guide steered you in the right direction, show some love by hitting that like button, sharing your thoughts in the comments, and locking in your subscription for a front row seat to our future content. Thanks a ton for tuning in, and until our next adventure in the tech realm, fly high and stay tech savvy.